Hey, welcome back to another video, guys. It's your boy Jaden here, and today we're gonna be doing a Yu-Gi-Oh pack opening. Let me show my packs, and then Tyler will show you his packs.
Yeah.
So we've got the Code of the Duelist, and we've got Maximum Crisis. Tyler, let's
I've got Maximum Crisis.
And then he has Invasion Vengeance. It's a nice little pack there. Let's open that up.
Yep, and I'm going to do my first pack up.
No. You gotta show it on the screen, so it should be playing on the TV.
Okay.
Oh God. I'm extremely weak.
Okay. I'm trying to open it.
Hold on, I'm gonna go get the scissors, guys. We need trusty scissors.
Okay, I'm opening my pack.
Okay. Let me we're gonna do a little rule. Hold on, he opened his pack straight up. Sorry, we put the first 3 cards at the back. So guys, he has got let me see what this is. A True Draco Apocalypse. So he's got a BES Big Core MK3. Oh, that's really shiny. There. And that's don't worry, Tyler. I'll tell you what that is later. Oh, he got this.
Let me see.
He got this. Hold on, is that a 2? No, that's just a winged beast. Got this. Got this. I don't know their names, so I'm just saying he got this. Sorry about how everything looks. And got this. And he got this. Okay. You got the other pack? Yeah. Okay, here we go. Ready? So this is gonna be Tyler's. No, you don't got it. I got it. So let's pop this baby up.
Just put it in the stack. I need it to be straight.
So let's put the first 3 cards at the back. Okay, let's go. Well, you got a polychemic. I don't even know the name of that. You got this. You got this. You got this. Got this. That's the end of his pack. You ready, guys? We're doing my pack now. These are my 2 packs now that we're going to be opening. So, I got a...
So I get to keep this skin.
No, that's mine. And I got this. I got a pendulum card. That's nice. Okay, they've already seen your cards. And then I just got these 2 as the last. Oh, we're opening Code of the Duelist. Give me those 9 cards, baby. Let's do it. Oh, I think I mixed stuff up. We got DD, Vice, Typhon. Place the DD. Yeah, we got this thing. Got this thing. We got this thing. We got this thing. We got this thing. Got this thing, and that's all my packs done. That's the Yu-Gi-Oh pack opening Dune. Let me grab all of the codes. And that. And overall, we got pretty terrible stuff. So this is all the stuff we got. Well, yeah, you've already seen it all, I guess. Thank you so much for watching. See y'all later.